looking sharp. It's Max the super detective on the whoa! Oh. It's okay, Timber. I'm fine. I meant to do it. Ninja training. Come on, Scoot. We've got police work to do.
Just wait till Martin and Mia see this!
Oh, hello, Jumpy.
Look at my new metal detector. I'm going to be a treasure hunter. The best treasure hunter in the City of Friends.
That's nice.
And you two can help me.
Help you what?
Detect metal with my new metal detector.
Well, that'd be great any other time, Jumpy, but Dad's taking us fishing today.
Fishing? Boring.
No, we're going right out into Friend Lake. Dad's chartered Bonnie for the day. Would you like to come too?
No, it's all right.
Mia, Jumpy gets seasick, remember?
I do not. It's just I'm going treasure hunting. See ya. Hi, Max.
Oh, can't stop. Lots of police work to do.
Max, look out for the roadworks round the corner.
What?
Max, are you all right?
Never
Jumpy to Friends Hospital.
Thanks for calling us, Jumpy. Good work.
Now, Max, where does it hurt?
Let's talk about fish.
Whoa!
What is it, Bonnie?
It's my propeller. It's got caught in something. I can't move. Oh, it looks like an old net. It's all tangled up. We're going to drift. I'd better radio for help. Bonnie to City of Friends, emergency services. We're stuck in the middle of Friend Lake and we need help.
There's got to be some treasure around here. I'll find it, and then I'll be rich. I'll be the richest person in the city of treasure in the bushes.
Hello. What's that? There, in the bushes.
Oh, it's probably just a squirrel or something.
I've never heard a beeping squirrel before. Jumpy, what are you doing in there?
Metal detecting. Oh, looks like I've detected Frankie. I was looking for treasure.
All units report back to the station. We have an emergency.
And they're drifting further and further away from shore.
So how are we going to save them? Haley! Max could fly Haley over to them, drop them a rope and tow them back to harbour.
Good thinking, Tiffany. Max? Max? Oh, where is he?
Just a couple of scratches.
Max, I think you're needed at the police station. Sounds like there's a bit of an emergency.
Well, come on then, Scoot. Let's get scooting! Must do something about that siren of yours, Scoot.
So we need you to get Haley out there as quickly as possible, Max.
Ha! I'm your man. Max to the rescue. Anyone seen Haley's key?
Oh, don't say you've lost it again.
No, I know I had it earlier. Timber, we've got an emergency on our hands.
We heard the news about Bonnie. Anything we can do to help?
Not unless you can find Hayley's key.
Oh, Max lost it again.
Quiet, Timber. Now, where could I... Of course, the roadworks. It must have jumped out of my pocket there. But it's going to be like looking for a needle in a haystack.
Not if we've got a metal detector, it isn't.
Oh, where are we going to find one of them?
Of course, Jumpy. Jumpy's got a metal detector.
He might still be at the park.
Oh, still nothing. Hang on. Oh. Oh, Frankie, it's you again. Haven't I detected you once already?
You have that, and now we want you and your detector to find something very important for us. Hayley's key.
We need Hayley for an important rescue.
And I think I might have lost her key when I had that little, accident at the roadworks.
Oh, does this mean I might be a hero?
Yep.
Then what are we waiting for?
We'd better start thinking of a plan B, Tiffany. If Max doesn't find Hayley's key, then we... Down, Timber! Timber!
I think he's trying to tell us something.
Hayley's key? But how did it get here?
That doesn't matter. We've got it now, and Max can take Hayley out over the lake. Clever dog.
Oh.
Oh, this is hopeless.
We're never going to find the key.
No, but Timber did.
Dad, do you think we're ever going to be saved?
Of course we are, Mia. I hope.
Oh, this is all my fault. I should have been looking where I was going.
No, Bonnie, you couldn't have seen that net. But if ever I find who left it there...
We'll have to get back to shore first, Dad. Though how we're going to... Huh? Hang on. What's that sound? I can't hear any... Just a minute.
It's Hayley! Hello! Grab hold of this rope! Oh, they've got them. Oh, thank goodness.
And if I hadn't been there to help, then they'd never have been rescued. They'd have been left there forever.
But Jumpy, you didn't find the key. Timber did.
Yes, but if I hadn't... Whoa!
Well, at least we caught something on our fishing trip.
Why can't we have a pet?
You already have lots of pets.
Timber the police dog, Jumpy the hare, and Kimmy the kangaroo.
They're all friends, not all pets. Please, can we have a pet of our own? A dog, a cat, a rabbit.
We've got enough to do running the City of Friends cafe.
We haven't got time to look after an animal.
You wouldn't have to do anything, Mum. We'd look after it.
Can we talk about this another time? We've got to open the cafe in 5 minutes.
Why don't you pop over to the police station and play with Timber?
I suppose so. Timber's the nearest to a pet that we'll ever get. Timber! Nobody's here. Maybe Tiffany's round the back with Timber. Let's take a look. Bobby! Tiffany!
They've gone out on a job with Petey. I'm off too. I'm going to help Barney tidy up the fire station garden. Catch you later!
What shall we do now? What's that? It's coming from over there. Mice! A whole family of them. Oh, they're so cute. Do you think Max knows he's got a family of mice under his treehouse? It's not like Max to keep a secret. Do you think they're safe here? Max is very noisy, and he's always tooting Scoot's hooter. The mice might be a little bit scared. Maybe we should move them to a quieter place. Yeah.
OK, Barney, what do you want me to do?
Well, you could help me clear the leaves off the path, Max.
No problem, Barney. Hey!
Hey, Max, I've only just swept those leaves up.
Oops! Oh, sorry, Barney. Ow! Ooh. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Take it easy, Max. We've got all day to tidy up.
Martin, where are we going? We're trying to find a nice, safe, quiet place for the mice. Maybe we should never have moved them in the first place.
What are you going to do with all this rubbish, Barney?
It certainly won't fit in the dustbin. I'll probably have to take it to the recycling centre.
It's a long way to push a wheelbarrow, Barney.
The fire station's a great place for the mice to live, Mia. They can't live here. They'll be frightened of Frankie's loud fire engine siren. They won't hear Frankie at the back. It's nice and quiet here. See? They like it already. Nobody will see the nest if we cover it over with leaves. The leaves will keep the mice nice and warm. They're going to need some food, Martin. We should go home and get them something to eat. Don't tell Mum and Dad about the mice, Mia. It's our secret.
You've done a good job tidying up the yard, Barney.
I had Max helping me. I don't know what I would have done without him.
Look at all the rubbish we collected. Barney's going to take it to the recycling centre in a wheelbarrow.
You could load the rubbish into Elphie's bucket and drive over to the recycling centre in Frankie.
Is that OK with you, Elphie?
I'm going for a cooling dip in my pool. I won't be needing the bucket for a while.
You're the best set of helpers in the City of Friends. Yeah, that's the lot.
Hold on, Barney. There's a bit more rubbish over here.
Take her away, Frankie.
I bet the mice are starving by now. We've got enough food in our rucksacks to last them a week.
Everybody's gone to the recycling centre with Frankie. Don't you think we did a great job of tidying up the fire station garden?
Max, what exactly did you tidy up?
Oh, you know, leaves, rubbish and stuff.
The nest! It's gone!
What you looking for?
We left a nest of mice right there! It was covered with leaves.
If it was hidden under a pile of leaves, it'll be halfway to the recycling centre by now.
We've got to stop Frankie! But we'll never catch up with the fire truck, Mia. Petey! Stop, Petey! Stop! Stop! Has something happened? We've done something really silly, Tiffany. We need a lift urgently to sort it out. OK, Just this once. Jump in.
I'll race you.
Thanks, Tiffany. Bye, Timber. No problem. Good luck.
Oh, you beat me.
Stop! Stop!
Huh? You two had better have a good explanation for this.
There's something very precious in Elphie's bucket.
It's a family of mice. We need to take them home.
Oh. Let's hope the nest's still in one piece.
Thank goodness they're safe.
How on earth did they get here?
We found them under Max's treehouse this morning. We moved them to the fire station.
Why did you move them from the police station to the fire station?
We thought the police station was too noisy.
Oh, right. And the fire station's a lot quieter.
We were worried that Max might frighten the mice by tooting Scoot's hooter.
Don't blame me. I didn't even know they were there.
You should never move wild animals away from their home territory.
We know that now, Barney. It was a stupid thing to do. We should have left them where they belong.
Why don't we take them home right away?
Scoot can give them a lift back, Barney.
No thanks, Max. The mice have had quite enough excitement for one day. We'll give them a lift back home in Frankie. Sounds like they're happy to be home.
Is it okay to feed the mice, Barney?
Of course, Martin. But don't touch them. Just leave the food and go.
I promise we won't disturb them ever again.
I'll try to be quiet and not toot Scoot's hoot around here.
Thanks, Max.
Hi, Hayley. Hi, Max.
Oh, watch where you're putting that thing.
Oh, sorry, Petey. Whoa!
Whoa, steady. You got all soap up my exhaust pipe.
Sorry, Petey.
What's going on here, Petey?
Jumpy's earning some pocket money. Bobby said he could wash me.
Oh, hi, Max. When I finish Petey, I will scoot for you. Well, I'll get him all sparkly clean and he'll be the smartest scooter in the police force.
He's the only scooter in the police force, and I haven't forgotten the time you borrowed him and took him for a ride.
Oh, the only place he's going with me is Cleansville, Max.
Oh, there you are, Max. Have you typed up those notes on the case of the missing haddock for me yet?
Yes, Bobby. That is, I'll go and do them now.
Kimmy, hi.
Hello, Tiffany too. Well. Out on a job, are you? I expect
yes,
you're heading off to catch burglars and stuff, eh?
kind of
I do envy you. What an exciting job. Of course, the
look, Kimmy,
postal delivery service does have its moments. Why?
I'm sorry.
I remember the time when I got my mail back
sure you do.
caught in
Well,
the revolving door
Kimmy,
of the
really,
Hotel Splendid. Letters everywhere.
I'm so sorry,
But I'm betting it on. Oh, you are naughty, keeping me back from my rounds.
What?
You'd just get away all day if you had your way, wouldn't you? What was all that about?
beats me.
Hello? Who's there? Oh, who is this? I don't like this at all.
Frankie, I thought washing you was my job.
Yes, so did I. Jumpy wanted to earn some pocket money, so Barney said he could...
Barney said he could roar.
No, that was me. Jumpy's not as gentle as you.
Good eye, you two.
Hi, Kimmy.
Have I got some news for you?
Oh dear.
There's some kind of strange something near Friends Park. I heard it while I was out on my deliveries, making a very weird noise. It was woo, woo, like that. Woo, I didn't know I was such a good impressionist. Woo, woo.
What was that noise?
Something Kimmy heard.
My Friends Park, yes. Oh, before I forget, I've got some letters for you, Barney.
Jumpy, where are you off to?
Outside the park, she said. She was probably imagining things or making up stories. There's nothing... Ah! What was that? Oh, could be a dinosaur. Or a thing. It's huge, about 70 metres high, with great big teeth like this. Oh, and it'll probably go on a rampage through the city, tearing down buildings and stamping on cars and stuff. No one will be safe.
Did you actually see this monster, Jumpy?
Yes, it was like a... No, well, I didn't actually see it, but I heard it all right. It went all savage and fierce.
Now, calm down, Jumpy. I think your imagination may have been running away with you.
No, really. Those noises, I heard them. Honest, I did.
Well, I suppose we'd better take a look. Max, get off to Friends Park and take a look around, would you?
On my way. Let's go, Scoot. Oh, great.
What's happened to Scoot?
Jumpy gave him a wash.
Oh,
Just as I suspected. Nothing to see at all. Jumpy was right. Max to base. Max to base. Jumpy was right. There is something going on. Send reinforcements. Max, Jumpy wasn't inventing it. There really is something weird around here. Where? Well, I haven't actually seen it, but... Timber! No, Max. Timber. Shh.
Timber's around here somewhere. There! Timber! Oh, how did you get down there? Huh?
Tom, Elphie, Frankie, we've got an emergency. Timber's stuck down a drain near Friends Park.
Hang on in there, Timber. We'll soon have you out. But how?
Jim, we'll have to fetch Jim and dig up the road.
Great idea, Elphie.
That's it, Timber. Stand back.
Oh, please be careful.
I'm doing my best. There, I should be able to reach him now. Okay, Frankie.
That's it, Tom. Steady as you go.
Any luck, Tom?
Got him. Pull me up, Frankie.
Timber! Oh, Timber. Well done, Tom. You too, Frankie.
Huge it was, all scaly and fierce, and I've never seen anything like it. Of course, Max and Peachy and Tiffany will sort it out. They'll probably tranquilise it and put it in a net, and then Hayley will carry it far away from here, where it can't do any... Oh! Hey, Petey, did you catch the monster?
Yes, we did. There's your monster, Jumpy.
What? Where?
Right here.
Oh, right. Well, can't stop to talk right now. Got an ambulance to wash.